Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. See, if the question is asked like this, divide 27 into two parts such sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 20. First one by one we will solve, okay? Don't get confused. 27 into two parts. Let's assume x is one part and 27 we will divide is minus 6, okay? Because, divide 27. We don't know the value, so we are taking one value and we are removing it, and then sum of their reciprocals means 1 by x plus 1 by 27 minus x is 3 by 20. This is the question. Observe, 27 minus x plus x by 27 minus cross multiplication. You all know this basics is equals to 3 by 20 plus x minus x cancel. 27 by 27x minus x square is equals to 3 by 20. Again, 27x minus x square into 3 is equals to 20 into 27. See here, 3 9. 27x minus x square is equals to 20 into 9, 180. Therefore, here we will pass this side. Okay. See, one side write equation first. 26 minus 180. We want to plus x square plus 180 minus 27 x is equals to 0. This is the equation we will get. Divide 27x. Now we want to find the x value. Okay. You know after that. Okay. You can solve this. If you not get answer, ping me in comment. I will solve and explain to you too. First question is asked like this. The length of the rectangle. We'll draw rectangle. Okay. Length is 3 centimeters. More than its width, and the area is 40 meters square. Find the dimensions, length, breadth. See, we don't know width. Let's width is equals to x. Then length is more than, see, x plus 3. Now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is x into x plus 3, x square plus 3x, which is given as 40 meters square. So therefore x square plus 3x is equals to 40 meters square. X square plus 3x minus 40 is equals to 0. This is equation. 8x minus 5x minus 40 is equals to 0. X of x plus 8 minus 5 of 5 8 is 40. 40 roots are 40. 8 5 is 40. Okay. And here is plus. So plus 8 minus 5. That is only I have written here. X plus 8 is common. So x plus 8 of x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8 and x is equal to 5. If x is minus 8 and x is 5, okay, width is minus 8 and width is 5, then length is minus 8 plus 3, length is minus 5 and length is 5 plus 3 and length is 8. This is length. They are asking these dimensions. Okay. Say car travels 60 kilometers of a certain speed. We don't know speed. So speed is x. Now what is said? If the speed is increased by 10 kilometers per hour, means x plus 10. Takes 1 hour less. Find original speed. Okay, 1 hour less time. They have given time. What is distance? 60. See here. Distance is 60. First his speed x, then less. It takes 1 hour less. So okay, I am doing minus. Same. Distance is same. Minus by x plus 10 kilometers. 10 is equals to 1. They have given this only. See, simple. Question only they given time less. So I am subtracting this. We can solve by using quadratic equations. Minus 60x is equals to 1. Okay, 60 by x of x plus 10. 60x plus 600 minus 60x is equals to x square plus 10x. X square plus 10x minus 600 is equals to 0. We can solve this square formula. 2 5 10 plus 5 square is equal to 600 plus 5 square. It is very easy. See, if we go by finding root 600, we'll get 10. What value we'll get 10, don't know. At that time, we can use the square from a square plus 2ab plus b square. Add b square both sides. See, very simple. See, x plus 5 whole square is equal to 625. X plus 5 is equal to root of 625. X plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 25. See, we'll get answer very easily. X is equal to 21. X is equal to minus 25 minus 5 minus 31. So see, the father is 3 times as old as his son. After 10 years, sum of their ages. See, both are not equal. Let's divide the question first. Let's son age is x, father age is 3 times as old. Okay, 3x. See, what is given? After 10 years means son after 10 years and father after 10 years. Sum of their ages is 70. So, add 1, 2. X plus 10 plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 70. X plus 10 plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 70. 4x plus 20 is equal to 70. 4x is equal to 50. Okay, 70 minus 20. X is equal to 50 by 4. 25 by 2, which is 10.5. Side of the square is increased by 5 centimeters. We don't know what is the side of square. Let's side of square is x. Okay, x, and it is increased by 5 centimeters. What they are asking? Area. Area increased by 75 centimeters. Find original side. Find x. So we don't know what is, because it is increased. So a square. Area of square is, see how I write and this, don't get confused. Area of square is x square. Okay, we will get x square. But what is actual question? It is increased by 5 centimeters. So x plus 5 whole square. First increases speed and then original. Then a given what is area. This is area. Okay, area is a square. Okay, a square. See, x square plus 25 plus 10x a plus b whole square formula minus x square is equal to 75 centimeters square. Here see, x square getting cancelled. So therefore 10x is equal to 75 minus 25. 10x is equal to 50. Therefore x is equal to 5. Plane left 30 minutes late than its schedule. I explained already. Okay, let us assume time is equal to distance by side, as I said already. Say, therefore time we don't know. Distance is 1500. Speed is x. Now it has to increase speed by 100, which is delayed by 30 minutes time. Actually, it is given 30 minutes. Okay, this is 1. 30 means 30 by 60. Per hour we have to calculate because it is given per hour. 1500 by x plus 100 is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, 3000 is equals to x plus 100. Then we can know the original speed value. 1500 by x into 1500 by x plus 100 is equals to 1 by 2. 1500 into x plus 100 into 1500 into x is equals to 2 of x into x plus 100. 2 into 1500 x, 1500, okay, 1,50,000 into 1500 x is equals to x square plus 100 x. 3,000, 3 lakhs is equals to x square plus 100 x minus 3,000 x. 3,000 x cancel. X square plus 100x minus 1 to 3 lakhs is equal to 0. Or we can solve this by square root formula. Okay, a square plus 2ab b square is equals to b square. We can solve like this also. A plus b whole square. So x plus b whole square is equals to 50 50 to 500. Okay, 3 lakhs 2500. You can solve by using square root. If you don't get this, ping me in comment. I will explain. If you understand problems, please like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. This is Shweta.